Ooh.
I can pull back.
Ooh.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, big fish, dude. Big fish. Look at this.
Oh,
Holy crap! Whoa! What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Martial Outdoors. Today, look at these goons. Yeah, Murray. You guys all know him. Probably don't know this guy on this channel. His name's Drew. Cool guy. We got Brandor in the house doing something dumb. Random Brandon 69. There he is. He is cool guy. Make sure you go check that out. But we finally just hit the lake, and let me tell you, it has been an absolute shit show. Got my truck stuck, got my trailer stuck, got that out. These boys came, buried their trucks, trailers. We're all stuck, but we don't even care. We unloaded the fishing junk and got in here. We don't even care. But for now, I'm gonna keep this short because we need to get tip up set up. We're running late. Look at this. Look at this. High Fish Pro Day. We're gonna go set 8 High Fish Pros out and maybe worry about bluegills later. But for now, big pike coming at you guys real soon. Murray, what do you think?
Big pike submission. I'm hoping for a 40 plus today.
You heard it. Let's get to it. All right. We just did rock, paper, scissors. Who's going first?
Brandon's going first.
Yeah.
I'm going second.
I was the first one out,
And it's you two.
like always. Third. If you ain't first, you're last, boys. And we'll see who gets to that tip up first. You stay tuned. This is not cool, Brandon. This sucks. This sucks, dude. That was intense. All right. Brandon, do what you do best.
he hasn't done anything yet.
Send it or send it.
I don't think anything's there.
Yep, he's there. He's there. Soft.
Ooh.
Good. Yeah,
Talk to
easy
me,
with
Brandon.
him.
What are you thinking?
Oh, I'm pretty.
I
Ooh.
think it's decent.
I like when they do that.
What are you thinking? Loose and drag?
I was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seems pretty tight. It's
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, it's not bad. Not crazy, but it's not bad. Good first fish. Decent. Yeah, buddies. That's a good first fish of the day. We need pliers.
Got him.
You got them?
Put pliers in my pocket before.
Nice.
They're my bluegill pliers though, sometimes.
You hold them.
Jaw jacking gators.
Come on now, that little fish. Oh, it's
This is bad. This is bad out here, guys. I'm gonna try and take a different path back to the shack because I am constantly falling through. But northern number 1, I'm gonna start cooking broad. Every time you pull out the food, oh my gosh, the northerns start biting. So you stay tuned. Hopefully we can get some more pike real soon. Cooking time. You know if I'm fishing, cherry Pepsi. Get it real. I got no ketchup, just cheddar brats, man. We've done that
It's a good spot for us.
plenty of times. Dude, it might be too windy out here, boys. Should have picked this up and put it in there.
Put it in there.
Oh, these wieners fall right through this Magnum grate. Oh no! They
Oh,
do,
yeah,
dude. What are we gonna do there, boys?
Lengthwise.
It's not the strat. Oh. Good call. Good call, man. Quick save there, bud. Fit even more of them, too. What the frick just happened out here?
That's a catching cook right there. No. That one's a deep one.
What do you got on here, Murr?
I don't even know.
No.
That's kind of hard. Fish?
It does. It's not doing anything.
No. Cross your fingers for a while. That'd be so cool.
Or a big bass would be alright.
Maybe just a huge pike.
I
We
think
don't know
it's
yet.
stuck in the ice, though.
Wanna reach down?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. It's a huge slip.
And it's a pike.
Pikey.
And it's tiny.
It's a bite.
There he is. And there he is. Yeah, it must have.
That's what I said. Should we just go put all the hooks?
We're gonna
Slid
go
down
check.
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah, we should go check all the. Check all well, cool.
Yeah.
That's 3 pike.
It's 3 pikes.
Number 3.
Thought we were gonna have to change gears, but we didn't. We're good. And here we go. Let's get back.
Fun little guys.
Yeah. Let's get back. See you later, my dude. My dude, thanks for the slime. See you next time. Here you go. You like the camera angle? Good. It's nice and crooked. It's gonna stay like that all day. But first pike for me of the day.
We're on to 3.
On 3.
Pike on the board.
3 pike. It's been kind of slow. You stay tuned. I think we're gonna catch some more fish. Guys, if you haven't checked out the Norfin boots yet, this gear is awesome. The lakes are gonna be like this all year, so I suggest you go get you some boots. Stay dry. That's the key. Go get this tip up set back up and see if we can get another one. I ain't doubting it yet. Well, okay, kind of doubting it, but stay at it. This tip up is on fire. Oh, it's greasy. Same flag. Just set it, walked away. These guys are already fighting fish. Just bring the minnows back to the shack. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Drew, what just happened? Oh. I'm glad I came over to investigate and bring you the minnows.
Thank you.
There we go.
That's a good one.
Thick.
Just got this flag set back down. Didn't even make it back to the shack, and the guys were yelling at me. Turn around, the flag had popped up. All right, second fish out of the same hole in less than 2 minutes. Can we go for the 3-peat?
Yeah, no crap. That's fish number 5.
Ready to go?
Northerns do the best release. Oh my gosh, okay. What do we got here? Tip up number 6 of the day.
There he is.
I think so.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How is it? Talk to me, Goose.
She ain't bad, man. Give her like at least a...
Looks decent. That's a big rod.
Ooh.
That's a fishing wire rod, so it's a heavy rod, heavy
Fishing
action. Let me get some ice over the hole. I've yet to see him. Yet to see him. He's a decent one. Nothing crazy though.
Hey.
I need him to turn.
Another flag.
Another flag?
No way, which one?
No way.
Back there.
We got another one.
No
We
way.
got 2 flags.
Murray, your big one's up.
No way.
Yeah, your decoy's up. Oh my gosh, that's a
Bad
good
one.
fish. That's a
This
good
ain't a bad
fish.
one at all.
Dude, triple right now.
Okay.
We need to,
We're
Brady,
gonna-
need to deal
yeah.
with that one.
We're gonna
Murray,
go
let's
to the
go.
next one.
Drew, you go get that one. Murray, let's go to your big one. Yup, it's peeling. Pretty sure I just seen that peeling.
Something definitely had it.
I don't think Drew got this either.
Did he get it?
No.
No, there's definitely nothing on it.
Alright. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Crazy. Wow. We've been waiting all day. Not all day, but a couple hours. And it has been rough. We've been pulling tip-ups, bluegill fishing, messing around. Pretty much just having a good time. And all of a sudden, we get a tip-up. Brandon catches a nice fish. Boom, another tip-up. Boom, another tip-up. So I don't know if that means anything, but maybe the last hour we got here or something, we might catch some more pike. Murray's big minnow just went off, and that makes me excited. So hopefully we can get some more fish. Oh, dude, Drew is hooked up.
No way.
Yeah. Looks big.
No way.
Doesn't look bad. So we got 2 of the 3. So that's not too bad.
Nick, you might have to grab it if it's a hog, because I might get scared.
I'm scared. All right, hang on. Get ready to take this. Yeah, it's nice. It's not bad. It's a better fish. It's a better fish. This is one we've been waiting for all day. Oh yeah, oh yeah, big fish, dude. Big fish. Big fish. Ready for this?
Oh my god!
Holy crap!
That's what I'm talking about right there.
Holy crap!
Look at the size of that.
That's a big one.
That's what we've been waiting for all day. Thick, super thick. Holy buckets. Probably, he's high 30s. I'd say 36, 37, but he's doubled in pounds, man. I'll hand this guy off to you.
Thank you. Oh man,
Awesome fish, man.
what a fish. Thick, healthy fish. Oh man, what a fish.
He's 10 plus for sure.
Oh, easily at least 10
I was
pounds.
thinking 10 for sure.
Now we were just starting to get discouraged, and then all of a sudden we looked and one flag popped, and as we were all watching that one, Meat was working on that one, 2 more went. The guys went and took care of one and got back to me just as about the time this one was getting to the hole. Just in time.
Drew.
Alright, well, let's get her back.
That is such a big one. Oh my god.
Sweet, dude. So there you have it. Nice, big, chunky fat pike. Exactly what we came here for. We've set lots of tip ups, lots of running around, and it finally paid off, guys. We're super pumped. Still falling through the slush, as you can tell. Go check out the Norfin gear, boots, suits. They'll keep you dry. I am toasted dry, and I'm standing in water all day. So check that out. We don't have much time left, say a half hour or so, and then we still do have 2 trucks stuck at the entrance of this place, so we got to deal with that yet. Probably gonna get out of here soon, but for now we'll probably hang out for a little bit, see if we can get any more of these big pike. Yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna have a few adult beverages tonight, I can tell you that, after this guy right here comes out and crushes a good 10 pounder, 11 pounder. And Murray's big decoy minnow just went up shortly after. We're like waited hours for a bite, now we're getting a bite like every 10 minutes, so it's looking good. I think the time's changed. Maybe this is an evening bite thing. I don't know. I don't pike fish a lot. Let me know. Change lures. Keep the baits in the water. What do you do?
Pretty good. Pretty sure he's there. What do you think?
Send it.
Should I send it?
And pull back on you. You take your minnow. Make him pull back on you. There you go.
Ooh.
There you go.
I'm gonna get that hook
There you
in
go.
him. Yep.
There you go. There you go. Attaboy.
I don't know if it's that crazy.
That's it.
I was just trying to bury the hook
Okay.
behind it.
Oh, that's good.
Is it good?
No. It's not huge. Quick strike
pale
rigs
looking.
right in the mouth.
Super
Perfect
pale.
here.
God, he's so freaking silver. Look at that, guys. Like, such a silver looking, weird looking fish. It's like he's pale. You think he's sick?
Yeah, he looks healthy. Looks good.
All right, let's get him back. All right, guys. Let's get this big girl back. Come on.
Sick, dude. Another one safely released. Another finger bleeding. It's gonna hurt to wash these hands when I get home, I can tell you that. Lots of pikes today. That's Murray. He's been killing the game. Go check it out. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for us today. awesome time out here chasing flags with the boys. It has been awesome. Lots of stories told, lots of laughs. It has been a great time. But we're gonna wrap it up. We got 2 trucks stuck at the landing still. My trailer's unhooked. I don't know how I'm gonna get that back onto the road. But for now, we're gonna hang out for the last half hour. Make sure you guys go check out Murray's channel. He's the man, Random Brandon 69. If you wanna see some crazy stuff, go check it out. Make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. I don't know where we'll be next time, but you know, as always, we'll be on the ice. So you guys stay tuned.